In this video, we're going to break down how to make a budget for your new business and the 5 big mistakes people run into when getting started. Okay, I say budget, you say boring. I get it. You're probably imagining a spreadsheet with a bunch of numbers and columns or whatever else. But a budget is what makes your business sustainable. It predicts how much money will come and go over a period of time. If the idea of a budget feels a bit abstract, try imagining it more like a financial timeline, predicting cash in and cash outs at key points. In the beginning, how much will it cost to start up? Then, how much time will go by before you start making money? It won't be day one, so brace yourself. So when will you break even? Meaning, at what point will you have made enough money to get back what you've already spent? And the important part, when do you expect to start making profit? This information will help tell you if you need to borrow money, when you can afford to employ staff, and even what to charge your customers. Some good examples of cash outs or expenses are supplies, inventory, tools, things like rent, memberships, or utilities. Remember to factor in big costs that may occur only once or twice a year, like a big lump sum insurance payment. Cash ins, or income, can be broken down into a simple equation. Projected number of sales multiplied by the amount you intend to charge. Also, it's a really good idea to check your budget against the actual real-life numbers frequently. If your predictions are off, then you may need to adjust your plans. You don't make a budget and then walk away. The more you do this, the better and more accurate your budgets will be in the future. And here's a pro tip for you too, and if I had a giant buzzer, now would be the time I'd press it. Budgeting, so nice, do it twice. Make one budget that assumes you absolutely crush it in your first year, and another that assumes a slower start. The second one won't be fun, but you'll be glad to have it if you encounter challenges you hadn't expected. So that's an overview of budgeting, but it's not easy. And to put you on the right track, we've spoken to some experts who have told us the 5 most common budgeting mistakes. 1. Forgetting tax. It sucks, but remember to deduct sales and income tax from your expected revenue. 2. Similar, but forgetting interest is a big one. If you do borrow some money, say $10,000, you don't owe just that lump sum. You need to budget for 10 grand plus the interest on the loan. 3. Insurance is a must. It's frustrating if you have it and never use it, but it's devastating if you don't have it and then suddenly need it. Don't overlook insurance. 4. Nothing lasts forever. Don't forget to put some money aside to replace things that break down. And last but not least, 5. Remember to have a line in the budget that allows for fixes and do-overs. Mistakes are how we learn, and they're what make us human. The best we can do is be prepared. And there you have it, Budgeting 101. But remember, this is just an overview. If you are in the budgeting stage and are feeling a bit daunted, or maybe numbers just aren't your thing, that's okay. We've put some links in the description with some more thorough information. We also recommend contacting an accountant or bookkeeper as well. Hey, thanks for watching. If you're after more videos like this, then we've got you covered. Plus, plenty of other great videos we think you might like too. Hit that subscribe button and give us a like.